Welcome to my series on business ideas for AI times. In this video, I present a business that helps early detection of unexpected failure of mechanical or electrical systems. This business is called B2B Acoustic Predictive Maintenance business. I'll give the details of this business in this video. Every manufacturing plant, commercial high voltage AC system, water facility, these all suffer from unexpected machine breakdowns that cost thousands of dollars per hour in downtime. This business idea that I'm going to give, it solves this problem by listening to the machines. The plan is to create a small module that has a microphone connected to it. The mic listens to the ambient sound coming out of the machinery. A large number of audio samples are collected. They are collected for the ambient sound of the machinery, and these samples are then used to train an AI system. The AI learns the baseline hum of a healthy system, the bearings, the motors, the pumps, and on the basis of that hum, that bass noise, it is used to train the AI model. I will give every detail in a few minutes as I am proceeding in this video. So whenever the machinery is about to fail, the ambient sound begins to change slowly. The module detects the variation in the waveform and reports back. So this is the whole thing or the whole plan of the system. So let's see the technical details of how this can be implemented. First of all, I will explain the hardware stack needed for such a system. We will ensure that the hardware remains simple, connections are fewer, less connections, so that failure rates are negligible. You will need a Raspberry Pico W or any equivalent microcontroller that contains a Wi-Fi module or that has a Wi-Fi module attached to it. Both these are low-cost solutions. So basically we need a Wi-Fi module so that a communication can be established with a remote server. Now this module is also connected to a microphone module called INMP441. This module is very cheaply available in less than $1. You can check the internet for that. Now if you want a lot of reliability and you are not sure that one microphone is not sufficient, then you can just put two such systems in parallel. They will be monitoring the same machine, the same factory, so it will give better reliability. Although if you keep testing, one might be very much sufficient. However, if I were to implement such a system and if legal problems are expected, then we will definitely attach 2 or 3 systems in parallel, because each such module consisting of a Raspberry Pico and a microphone module, these are very cheap, very low expensive. The entire module, this can be wrapped in an industrial high temperature acoustic enclosure so that it looks good also and has a lot of sturdiness so that it works very reliably. This Wi-Fi module, it sends samples to a server run on a PC or Raspberry Pi in the same network. In the same Wi-Fi network, you can put a PC that monitors the responses from these modules. So there is one server running on a PC placed somewhere in the premises of the company wherever you have installed it. If a PC is not available, then a Raspberry Pi is also possible. Programming can be done that runs on Linux. I can help if you want on that also. So there will be one common server, which is a good strategy, Because if multiple modules are being used to monitor the different rooms of the same factory, then one central server will be very cost effective. We are not saying that you should implement a remote internet based server, because that's not required. You can simply run a server locally, and these they turn out to be quite reliable because the traffic is not going to be much. The only traffic that will be coming will be from these modules. The traffic is really not much. It is easily handled by a Raspberry Pi also. So how the whole system is going to work is that your audio samples that are being sent by your microphone, these audio samples, when they reach the server, these are converted into spectral images using the spectrogram library, which is available on the GitHub, and as you can see in the screen that I'm showing also. Once you get these audio samples converted into picture, so once you have the pictures, the spectrum, then you can use ML.NET to train an ML.NET classification model to categorize the spectral images. Once the camera detects a problematic audio signal or a problematic noise that is appearing, which could indicate that something is about to go wrong, then the spectrum will change, the picture will change, and your model, it will detect an anomaly on the basis of the picture. And that anomaly can be used to raise an alarm immediately. So you can see that this scheme is quite reliable because no data leaves the premises of the company, first of all. Secondly, we are bypassing the problems associated with internet connectivity also. So everything is occurring in the local environment, and this seems to be quite a good business idea if it is implemented. If you need any help, because all these technologies, I have full confidence, I have full capabilities in them. If you need any sort of collaboration, I'll be happy to work on that. I'll close right now. Thank you.